In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge accounts in Salesforce. If you've ever found yourself in a position where you have duplicate account records in Salesforce, you probably understand the importance of maintaining clean and organized data. Merging these accounts helps in consolidating your information, ensuring accuracy, and streamlining your workflows. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to help you achieve that. First, open up Salesforce and find your profile icon located at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will give you access to a variety of options, including the ability to switch views. What we need to do next is to change from the Lightning Experience view to the Salesforce Classic view. This step is crucial because the merge function we'll be using is only available in the Classic interface. Once you're in Salesforce Classic, you'll want to navigate to the Accounts tab. This is where all your account information is housed, and it's the starting point for merging the records. Take a moment to look through and familiarize yourself with the layout of this page, as there might be some differences from the Lightning view. In the Accounts tab, look for a section called Tools, typically located on the page. It offers various account management options, and it's here you'll find the Merge Accounts option. Click on this and you'll be taken to a new page where you can begin the merging process. On this new page, you'll see a prompt to select the records you want to merge. Salesforce will typically ask you to enter a search term to find the accounts that you suspect are duplicates. Once you see the relevant accounts, select the ones you wish to merge. You can select up to 3 accounts at a time to merge, so choose carefully. After selecting the accounts, click on the Next button. This will take you to a screen where you need to determine which record will be the master. The master account is the one you want to keep as the primary record. This is an important decision, as this account will retain all the consolidated data after the merge. Review the information in each account to make an informed choice. Finally, once you've set the master record, take one last glance to ensure everything looks right. When you're ready, click the Merge button to complete the process. Remember, merging accounts is irreversible, so make sure the details are correct before proceeding. And there you have it. The accounts are now successfully merged. This process will help in keeping your Salesforce data clean and reliable, improving both efficiency and productivity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more Salesforce tips and tutorials.